Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. Today in this video I am going to discuss another problem from chapter 1 from the exercise 1.3 for Tamil Nadu State Class 10 Mathematics students. I am going to discuss problem number 10. I already solved the problem from 1 to 9. It is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. The problem 10 says that the data in the adjacent table, this is the table, the data is given, depicts the length of a person 4 and this is length of the person 4 and represented by small x, and the corresponding height represented by small y, x measurement in centimeter, y measurement in inches. From this data, find a relationship between height y and the 4 and length x as y equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constant. One data length of 4 and in centimeter represented by x, another data for height in inches represented by y. We have to find a relationship and write them as y equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constant. Before proceed towards y equal to ax plus b, first subdivision, whether if this relation is a function or not, you have to check. Then from the relation y equal to ax plus b, find a and b. Third one, find the height when 4 and length is 40. Fourth one, find the length of 4 and if the height is 53.3 inches. What is the data? Length x of 4 and 35, 45, 50, 55, height y in inches, this is in centimeter. 56, 65, 69.5, 74. First of all, I am going to check whether this relation is a function with the help of arrow diagram for a. I am going to repeat from finding a whether this relation is a function. By representing arrow diagram, we can say or verify whether this relation is a function. This is element x, this is element y, element x represented by small x, set y represented by small y. Write all the elements of x, 35, 45, 50, 55. Write all elements of y, 56, 65, 69.5, 74. 35 maps to 56 through by arrow diagram. 45 maps to 65 through by arrow diagram. We can easily mark them. 50 maps to 69.5, 55 maps to 74. I am representing everything through by arrow diagram. 35 maps to 56, 45 maps to 65, 50 maps to 69.5, 55 maps to 74. See all element in x, that is in domain, as a unique image. As a unique image in y, which is a codomain, therefore it is a function. First part over. Second part, we have to find a and b. But in the problem itself, it is given y equal to ax plus b. See, 35, 45, 50, 55, 56, 65, 69.5, 74. Because of decimal, I am not using this value. I am going to use the first one, second one. When x 35, y 56. When x 45, y 65. When x 35, y 56. Substitute y equal to 56. X equal to 35, 56 equal to 35a plus b. When x 45, y equal to 65, substitute y equal to 65. When x equal to 45, 45a plus b. From 1 and 2, I am solving these two equations. First equation, 56 equal to 35a plus b, 65 equal to 45a plus b. Here I am doing subtracting these two equations. That's why I am putting minus 56 minus 65 minus 9, 35 minus 45 minus 10a, plus b minus b cancel, minus minus cancel, 9 by 10a. A is 0.9 or 9 by 10. Now I am going to find the value for b. Substitute the value for a either in 1 or 2. I am substituting the value for a in 1. 56 equal to 35a plus b. 56 equal to 35 into 0.9 plus b. 56 minus of 35, 0.9 I am writing in the form of 9 by 10, which is equal to b. 56 minus 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. 56 minus 63 by 2, which is equivalent to b. Cross multiplying 56 into 2, 112 minus 63 by 2, which is equivalent to b. 49 by 2, which is equivalent to b. Therefore, b equal to 24.5. Now I am going to discuss the third subdivision. Find the height of a person whose forehand length is 40 cm. Here x value is given. We have to find y. Therefore, what is y? Y is ax plus b. What is a? 0.9. 0.9x plus b. What is b? 24.5. From this relation, I am going to find the subdivision value, that is third one. That is when x is given, x equal to 40, we have to find y. When x equal to 40, we have to find the value for y. Y equal to 0.9 into 40 plus 24.5. 9 by 10 into 40 plus 245 by 10. What is 360 by 10 plus 245 by 10? What is 360, 245 if we add? By 10, 605 by 10, 60.5. This is y. Y equal to 60.5 in inches is the correct one. Now I am going to discuss the last subdivision, 10.3, 10th sum. Here we have to find the length. Length means y. X value is given. What is x? 53. We have to find height. We have to find the length of the forehand of a person if the height 53.3 inches. Here for the fourth subdivision, height means y is given. What is y? 53.3. We have to find the length of forehand person means we have to find x. Use the same relation for the fourth one. What is y? 0.9x plus 24.5. Here y is given. What is the y value? 53.3. Y is 53.3. We have to find x. Substitute 53.3, which is equivalent to 0.9x plus 24.5. 53.3 minus 24.5 equal to 0.9x. Subtract 53.3, 24.5, 8. This is 28.8 equal to 0.9x. 28.8 means 288 by 10 divided by 9 by 10, which is equivalent to x. This 0.9 is 9 by 10. I am shifting from RHS to LHS. These 10 will get cancelled. 288 divided by 9, which is equivalent to x. What is x? Divide 288 by 9. 9 3s are 27, 18, 9 2s are 18. Therefore, x equal to 32. For the fourth subdivision, problem number 10 in exercise 10.3, answer is 32. I have solved all the problem in the exercise 1.3 from the chapter 1 relations and function for Tamil Nadu State Class 10 Mathematics students. You just subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friend and like my channel. I will solve remaining problem from the exercise in chapter 1 in the upcoming video. Thank you.